Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial of Node.js and React. So today we are going to be teaching you I'm going to be teaching you how to install React on your Windows PC. So let's get going. So this is the Node.js website, as you can see. So just go to Windows installer, and now Windows has started downloading already, but don't need it. I already have it in here. I've already downloaded it already. So just go here, click, press install, next, accept all terms start looking, next, to change, and next it will automatically install npm packages and core package manager. Next, if we install this will automatically install some tools, and this will take up our time. So let's click next. But if you wish to click it, you can click it. Click next and install. Okay, installing. Successfully installed. Finish. Let's check. Yeah, is it? That's completely installed already. Let's check for npm to npm-v. npm has also installed too. So if you want to create a React app, you're going to press npx create -react -app, and the name of the app wants to create. Let's name it codes and enter. This process might actually take up to 10 minutes on some computers, but don't mind, the patience is worth it. Now our React app is ready. So for us to change this React app and start coding, you just have to input cd codes and enter. Now we are in the codes directory already. First, that's just going to input npm start and enter. I have to wait some seconds. This will take longer too. And woof, React app is ready already. It's ready now. You can go to any console to edit them. Click this link. React JS. Leave in your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find it helpful. And don't forget to click the notification bell icon so you can receive more updates from us about React. Our next tutorial will be on installing packages using either npm or yam. Peace.